Hey guys, this is Talha from TechBeast and you are watching a video of Huawei P9 Lite. Is buying Huawei P9 Lite in 2018 a good idea or is it a bad one? Taking a look at its spec list, considering its price tag, it is a complete steal. In my personal opinion, I would love to pick this phone up for 20,000 PKR or $180. But specs are not everything in terms of practical usage. Generally released with the price tag of 29,000 PKR or $260. The price may vary depending on the location you are buying this from. I got my one from a local store in my own city. In terms of build quality, the rear of the phone is plastic. Unlike the original P9, the phone is plastic as compared to the original P9. However, the side bezels are definitely made of aluminum, which feels really premium in the hand, and it is definitely grippy. It's got all its volume rockers. It's got volume rockers and power button on the same side, micro USB 2.0 on the bottom, and two speaker grills. However, this is not a stereo speaker setup and sound comes only out of this grill. Let me show you a quick look at it. As you can see, covering the other grill doesn't affect the sound quality of this phone, but covering this one definitely affects the quality of the phone, thus proving this is not a stereo setup and these are just for design. It is also supporting a fingerprint scanner on the rear of the phone, which is definitely one of my favorite features of this phone, since the fingerprint rests here naturally, and it is very responsive. And it's got a really fast response time as well. As you can see, this feels downright very snappy. The one I got in front of me is the gold color of the phone with 2 GB of RAM and Huawei's own custom chipset of Kirin 650 octa-core processor, which should be enough to keep the phone snappy. Now let's take a look at its camera quality. So this phone is rocking a 13 megapixel rear camera with f2.0 aperture with a good low light performance and a front selfie shooter of 8 megapixels with f2.0 aperture, which supports beauty mode as well. Let me show you a quick samples of how the camera performs. Now let's take a look at how this camera performs if we are taking a video. So what do you think about this phone, guys? At the price tag of $180, it is a total steal in my opinion. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.